When choosing wheels for your vehicle, the material of the rim isn't just an aesthetic choice. It's a matter of performance, safety, and durability. Today, we'll compare alloy rims with other common types, including steel and carbon fiber, to see how they stack up. Section 1. What are alloy rims? Alloy rims are made from a mixture of aluminum and other metals, giving them a balance of strength and weight reduction. Unlike pure metals, these alloys improve heat dissipation, enhance performance, and contribute to fuel efficiency. Section 2. Steel rims, the classic alternative. Steel rims, on the other hand, are made from pressed and welded steel. They are heavier and more durable in harsh conditions, making them suitable for winter driving or rugged terrain. However, their weight impacts fuel economy and acceleration negatively. Section 3. Carbon fiber rims, high-end performance. Then there's carbon fiber, a premium option. These rims are ultra-lightweight and extremely strong, but also significantly more expensive. They're primarily used in high-performance and motorsport applications. Section 4. Comparative breakdown. To compare, alloy rims offer the best compromise between performance and cost. Steel rims prioritize durability and affordability, but at the cost of agility. Carbon fiber leads in performance, but isn't practical for daily use due to cost and fragility. Section 5. Real-world application. For everyday drivers, alloy rims provide an optimal balance. They are lighter than steel, better looking, and more efficient. Steel rims are ideal for winter or utility use. Carbon fiber remains the choice for those chasing lap times, not commutes. Quick recap. Alloy rims strike the perfect middle ground, balancing performance, aesthetics, and cost. Steel rims offer durability. Carbon fiber rims push the envelope in performance. Your ideal rim depends on your driving style, environment, and budget. Want more in-depth comparisons like this? Hit subscribe and check out our guide to tire upgrades next.